Hello friends, this problem is find GE. To solve this problem, we need auxiliary segment. From here, through G, okay. Then, this point is G, so this segment is the same with this segment, and this and this the same. This point, I call this point T, and triangle TAB is congruent to triangle TCD. This means AB equal CD 15. And BG to GT. BG to GT equal 2 to 1. I call this point M. AG to GM equal also 2 to 1. Then MG to MA equal 1, 2, 3. Then GE to AB is also 1, 2, 3. So we can find GE equal 1/3 of AB. 1/3 by 15 equal 5. Finishing. Thank you. Hello friends. In this problem, we have to find the shaded area, triangle PQR. To solve this problem, we need two auxiliary segments. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD equal 80 square centimeters. Let's go. I call this point O. Triangle ABC and triangle MBN. BM equal MA, BN equal MC. And here we can find BQ equal QO. And this point P is centroid of triangle ACD. So DP to PO. PO equal 2 to 1. It means PO equal 1/3 of DO. 1/3 of DO. Then PQ equal QO plus PO. 1/2 DO plus 1/3 DO. equal 5 over 6 BO. And triangle ABC equal 40. Triangle ECD equal 40. Triangle RBD equal 10. Triangle RPB, triangle RPQ equal 5 of 12. Triangle RBD equal 5 over 12 multiplied by 20. 25 of 3. Finishing. Thank you.